In letter F, we're solving for the missing information once again. This is similar to the other problems that we've been solving, except for this problem has more steps in it. I started out by solving for the percent, and the way that I did that was I was given 85%, and I need to figure out how much more would give me 100%. I took 100% minus 85 and got 15. Now I'm looking at this and I'm seeing that 15 can't be multiplied to get 85 and 15 can't be multiplied to get 100. So I'm going to need to simplify the $4.50 over 15% using a giant 1 to get a more friendly, easier numbers. Finding the unit rate, finding 1%, I could do it that way. So 1%. To solve for that, I would need to divide 15 divided by 15 gives me 1. And then $4.50 divided by 15. I can divide that out to the side. 15 divides 45 3 times. And then I have a remainder of 0. I'm going to put it in cents because that's how we think of money. So I know that every 1% gives me 30 cents. So if I have 85%, I can multiply that by 30 cents and that will give me the amount. So I multiply by the 0 first and there's nothing there. I can leave the 0 there and just start with my 3 or my 30. So 3 times 5 gives me 15. 3 times 8 gives me 24, plus 1 more is 25. And I'm looking for my decimal. I forgot to write it in here. It was 30 cents, not $30. So there were 2 decimal places that I would move the decimal place over to the right. So I'm going to do the opposite, move it 2 spots to the left. I'm left with $25.50. I can now take the $4.50 and the $25.50 and add them together to find my total. When I add them together, I get the total, which is $30. I can put it right in the decimal place in the zeros if I wanted to, but I would get the same answer either way. I need to write 3 statements about this amount. So the first one I'm going to write is 15% of the total, which was $30, is or equals, we know that the 15 and the $4.50 match up. I'm going to move next onto the 85%. 85% of the total, which was $30, equals $25.50. Then the last one I'm going to write, I could do 0% of $30 is 0. But I'm going to choose the 100% of $30 is $30.